What's the meaning of caesura? Caesura. Caesura.
Caesura. Caesura. Caesura is a term used in poetry and music to refer to a pause or a break in the flow of sound. It is a momentary interruption that helps to create emphasis and structure within a larger piece of work, allowing the listener or reader to absorb and reflect upon what has come before, and what is yet to come. In poetry, caesura can be achieved by the use of punctuation, line breaks, or rhetorical devices such as alliteration or repetition. In music, it can be created through changes in tempo, dynamics, or instrumentation. Overall, a caesura can serve as a powerful tool for conveying meaning and emotion, helping to shape and guide the audience's experience of a work of art.